Hi everyone, welcome to Nursing 6113, Human Resources and Workforce Development. My name is Heather Fagari. I'm going to be your adjunct professor for this course. This course runs from August 27th to October 12th. Please access the syllabus as first steps in this course. It gives you all the information that you'll need for the course content and assignment due dates and my contact information. I also wanted to let you all know about the books that are required for this course. The Ideal Team Player, sorry, lighting is a little bad. It is by Patrick Lencioni. Readings will be from this book, and go ahead and get started reading this book as it is very good, and I think you'll find very good content in that. Creating Magic by Lee Cockerell. It is about the Disney Institute. Another fantastic book. I would go ahead and get started on reading this as well. It's just one of those books that is great to keep on your bookshelf for your future endeavors after this course. And then we have the Manager's Guide to HR. It's the second edition. You can find any of these books on Amazon, MNU Bookstore, Half Price Books, anywhere you want to go to get your textbooks, you should be able to find them. Looking forward to this course. I hope you guys find it beneficial, and I look forward to getting to know all of you.